Very interesting. Next, Alta Ifland from California and previously from Romania will read French and English, right?
Yes, thank you, Nina. So I hope you don't mind that I'm going to read prose, not poetry. And more specifically, I'm going to read from this book called Le Camion by the French writer Marguerite Duras. Was a very famous 20th century writer. You may know her as the author of The Lover. There was also a very famous film, The Lover. So this book, just very briefly, since I can't explain very much, is a book that includes a film script, which is the script for a radically experimental film directed by Marguerite Duras, also called Le Camion, in English, The Truck. It also includes an interview with the writer and 4 manifesto-like texts in which she explains her vision as a radically experimental filmmaker. So I'm going to read one of these manifestos. Oh, by the way, I don't remember if I told you that the translation of the book will be published next April as under the title The Dark Room by Contramundum Press. So if you're interested in film theory and experimental films, this is a book for you. Okay, so I'm going to read the 3rd manifesto in French and in English. Je ne sais pas où je vais dans le camion. Elle, la femme du camion, elle ne le sait pas non plus. Et cela nous est pareillement égal. Je ne savais pas qui était cette femme, rien. Sauf ceci, je savais qu'il y avait une femme au tournant d'une route. Je voyais cette route dans la Manche, vers Vauville, qui attendait un camion, et moi. Cela depuis plusieurs semaines. Je ne travaillais pas le texte. Je savais que le texte, quel qu'il ait été, aurait été balayé par le tournage. Que la femme et le texte ne coïncideraient pas avant le film. Que la femme ne commencerait à exister qu'avec le film, en même temps que le film et à mesure de son déroulement. Plus encore que la femme réclamait le film pour commencer à exister. Avant le film d'elle, je ne vois que l'attente. Je sais l'aimer. Je suis tournée vers elle. Elle, non, elle est tournée vers l'extérieur. Elle ne sait pas que je l'aime. Elle ne sait pas être aimée. Elle est ignorante de l'amour qu'elle peut inspirer. Elle, tournée vers le dehors, regarde. Moi, tournée vers elle, la regardant. Télescopées toutes les deux dans la direction de l'extérieur. C'est par elle que je vois, par elle que je prends l'extérieur et que je l'engouffre en moi. Je l'aime. Elle m'ignore, toujours tournée vers l'extérieur. Je déplace mon regard. Je regarde ce qu'elle regarde. Ça s'éclaire de plus en plus. Elle, je ne la vois pas. Je ne vois toujours pas son visage. Quand le film se termine, je n'ai toujours pas vu son visage. Mais ce qu'elle regardait m'éblouit. Le film. Okay, and now the English. Oops. Okay. I don't know where I'm going in Le Camion. She, the woman in the truck, doesn't know either. And it's all the same to us. I don't know a thing about who the woman was, nothing, except this. I knew there was a woman at the bend in the road. I could see this road in La Manche on the way to Vauville. She was waiting for a ride, and for me, for several weeks. I didn't work on the text. I knew that the text, whatever it was, would have been swept away by the filming, that the woman and the text wouldn't come together before the film. The woman would only begin to exist through the film at the same time as the film while it was rolling. Furthermore, in order to even begin to exist, the woman required the film. Before the film, all I see of her is the waiting. I know I love her. I'm facing her, but she knows she is facing the outside. She doesn't know that I love her. She doesn't know how to be loved. She doesn't know what love she is capable of inspiring. She turned toward the outside. Looks. Me turned toward her, looking at her. Telescoped, both of us, toward the outside. It is through her that I see, through her that I take the outside and shove it inside me. I love her. She doesn't pay attention to me, always turned toward the outside. I shift my gaze. I watch what she's watching. It becomes clearer and clearer. As for her, I don't see her. I still don't see her face. By the time the film ends, I still haven't seen her face. But what she was looking at dazzles me. The film. Thank you.